Gardens are intentionally cultivated outdoor spaces that showcase a harmonious arrangement of plants, flowers, trees, and other natural elements. They serve as havens where the beauty and serenity of the natural world are celebrated and preserved. Gardens can range in size from small, intimate backyard oases to expansive, meticulously manicured public landscapes. Regardless of their scale, gardens are defined by their ability to provide a refuge from the built environment and foster a deeper connection between humans and the natural world. Importance of gardens. Gardens play a vital role in enhancing our physical, mental, and environmental well-being. On a personal level, they offer a restorative space for relaxation, reflection, and rejuvenation. The sights, sounds, and sense of a thriving garden can have a profoundly calming effect, helping to alleviate stress, improve mood, and promote overall mental health. From an ecological standpoint, gardens serve as vital habitats for a diverse array of flora and fauna, supporting crucial biodiversity and contributing to the health of local ecosystems. Additionally, well-designed gardens can help mitigate the impacts of climate change by sequestering carbon, regulating local temperatures, and reducing urban runoff. Caring for gardens. Maintaining the beauty and vitality of a garden requires a dedicated and thoughtful approach. Gardeners must possess a deep understanding of the specific needs of their plants, including sunlight requirements, soil composition, and water needs. Regular weeding, pruning, and pest management are essential to ensure the continued health and vibrancy of the garden. Gardeners must also be attuned to the changing seasons and adjust their care regimen accordingly, protecting delicate plants during harsh winter months and nurturing new growth in the spring. The key to successful garden stewardship lies in striking a balance between respecting the natural cycles of the environment and providing the necessary interventions to foster a thriving, resilient landscape. Garden design ideas. When designing a garden, there are numerous elements to consider in order to create a cohesive and visually appealing space. Thoughtful plant selection is paramount, with an emphasis on choosing species that are well suited to the local climate and soil conditions. Incorporating a diverse array of plants, from towering trees to cascading ground covers, can add depth, texture, and year-round interest to the garden. Carefully positioned pathways, seating areas, and water features can enhance the garden's functionality and encourage exploration and relaxation. The strategic use of lighting can extend the enjoyment of the garden into the evening hours, while carefully curated focal points, such as sculptures or artistic installations, can add a touch of whimsy and personality. By blending these various design elements, gardeners can craft a truly captivating and immersive outdoor sanctuary. In summary, gardens are multifaceted spaces that offer profound benefits to both individuals and the environment. Through diligent care and thoughtful design, gardeners can cultivate verdant, restorative oases that inspire wonder, foster connection, and contribute to the overall health of our shared ecosystem.